Radio upgrade. All right, one thing about our Sprinter van is the radio is a little bit outdated, doesn't have Apple CarPlay on it. So we want to get that thing dialed in, and we reach out to our friends at radioupgrade.com and got a new radio that's going to be upgraded in there from Radio Upgrade. Upgrades galore. We're gonna unbox this thing. I have no idea what to expect. It's supposed to be plug and play, but time will tell. Let's open up, see what we got. I'm just gonna... Ooh, nice box. In here are all your components. Oh, there's a lot of them. There's the factory backup camera adapter, the CAN bus decoder. So all these pluggies, lots of pluggies. All right, so we'll put that off to the side. And then here is the actual unit. That's from when Carter decided to grind on this. Kind of burned it a little bit. All right, that looks pretty nice. It's definitely an upgrade. Got a little screen protector right there. And that screen is just over and beyond what's already in there. So hopefully this will be a really quick install. But let's put it in, see what happens. So here's what we're working with right now. The stock system is fine. It'll get the job done. But we want a bigger screen, touch screen abilities, have Apple CarPlay on there, and still have some of the same features that this guy has, including a DVD player. There's a DVD player on this? Wow. Radio upgrade. Watch some DVDs going down the road? That's not safe. I wouldn't recommend that, but it would be really interesting if this does play DVDs to like sit back there and sit right here and watch a little DVD action. So obviously some of the biggest differences, you got a bigger screen here. You can put CDs or DVDs apparently as well. I didn't even know that. So first step is to take this off, and then hopefully everything should be pretty straightforward. There's no instructions, so let's fly by the seat of our pants like always. Let's do it. Junior, how do you take this thing out? All right, so after a pretty quick installation, it was relatively painless. It took about 30-40 minutes to figure out where everything went. There's no instructions included, which it is what it is, but it's so easy to find the right cords and put it in that, I was pretty impressed. And this thing is pretty sweet. Check it out. After it gets fired up, you see our background is Artemis, and then also got a little logo slug action there, which is pretty sweet, if you ask me. There's 50 gigabytes of storage on this, so you could put a ton of different videos, and it even came with Fast and the Furious, which is pretty rad. So once you're done watching our beautiful logo, it will actually automatically connect to Apple CarPlay after you get it set up, of course, on your phone. It's Apple CarPlay, everything that you're probably familiar with other apps. Just like Apple CarPlay on most, modern brand new cars, this operates the exact same way. You could have Waze, Google Maps, Gaia, audiobooks, everything that's on your phone can also be sent here. Now what's really cool, this also comes with the DVD player. The only DVD that we had at the office, I don't know whose this is or why it was here, is Carmen Electra's Lap Dance and Hip Hop. And it plays great. Throw this in and works just like a DVD player if you still remember those, which is cool. Now you have a little 7-inch theater in here if you wanted. Oh my God. All right, hit play. And you now have aerobic striptease. I don't know if we're gonna include this in the video, but it's pretty hilarious. Okay, DVD player does work. All right, so you have navigation on here. Google, Apple CarPlay is probably gonna work better than the navigation, but we do have a GPS unit right here, so it does have accurate GPS locations, which is good if you're not somewhere that you have connection on your phone, or if you haven't downloaded any Gaia maps. But really what you're going to be using this for is Apple CarPlay, which I don't know how to get to. In the apps, Z-Link is your link to the Apple CarPlay, and that's where you can navigate, go through different apps, and start anything like you would normally. You could also play different podcasts. Anything that you do on your phone, you can now do on here. What's also cool about this system is you can download apps like Netflix and other things, so you'd actually stream if you're connected to Wi-Fi, which you could use your phone as a personal hotspot. So overall, this is a really awesome upgrade. I'm pretty happy with it, especially the price point under $1,000 and really easy to set up. It's good. Now that's the radio upgrade. Now let's see what we got going on in the back, as we did do some things to elongate and extend that bed. For those of you who are over 5'10", you will appreciate it. Let's check that. All right, so I'm 6'2". I could sleep on this bed diagonally comfortably, but if you're sleeping with two people, it does present an issue, as this is around comfortable for someone who's 5'8", 5'9", if you're sleeping north to south or horizontal wise, width wise of the van. So we figured out a solution. This table right here is a nice little prop, and what I wanted to do, because if you put too much weight on here, it could potentially break some stuff, so we just have a little prop. We're gonna put that underneath, tighten it up. Now that gives it added stability, so if you do happen to put weight on it, you're not gonna collapse it. And then we got these pads here that allow us to build a little platform. And last, using this little storage box that we're going to put underneath, you now have pretty much a full queen size bed. Very comfortable. We could put some anti-skid tape underneath it, and that'll hold it in place even better. You could fit two people and a child really easily. Two people could fit extremely comfortably, and then you don't even need to have this full setup if you are by yourself. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We got a couple small upgrades here. Artemis is running until October 27th. We still have a couple more weeks, and then it'll be gone forever. If you have not entered to win this Sprinter van yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, but it is not going to drive itself. So go to forge4x4.com. Every $1 you spend in our shop gets you 1 entry to win, or become a member. You're going to get 15 entries just for signing up for $12.95 and some awesome member benefits. This thing's solid. We've taken it off-roading. We've taken on some cool trips, shot some cool content, but it's now time for you to take it home. If you want to see more build videos, click around here. We'll link to some of the cool content that we've been shooting over the past couple weeks. Thanks for watching.